Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are exploring how to use frame mask for non-destructive layout experiments. Start by creating a new Photoshop document and add frames using the Frame tool. Drag images into frames and adjust scale and positioning. If you want to try different arrangements, simply swap images or move frames around without altering the original content. Optional tip: use smart objects to keep original images intact. Group and label frames for easier experimentation. Practicing this approach allows you to test multiple layouts quickly, ensuring you find the most effective composition without losing your original work. This workflow is perfect for creative exploration and